Hey guys, it's Hazel. Today I'm going to be showing you the Shopkins fridge. So let's get started. Okay, so this is what the outside looks. If I just say like that and move this back a bit, or move that like that. Okay, so now you can see it properly. Okay, so it comes with a bunch of stickers. As you can see, I've already stuck them like that. It comes with a little cup, as you can see, and a few drawers that pull out like this, like that. It comes with 6 little eggs. I've lost a few of them, so yeah, I'll show you them in a sec. And it can fit up to 25 Shopkins in there, but I think we can fit up to more, don't you? So let's get started. Right. Okay, this may take a while. I'm just going to stuff them all in lying down, because I want this video to be nice and quick for you guys, so you're not wasting any of your time. I don't know how much these can keep in them exactly. So yeah, okay, so that's this drawer right here. And, whoa, you can fit some more in there. Okay, like this. Put that right down here. It might fit, might not. Ow! Damn. Will it fit? Will it fit? Yes. Okay, so we've got quite a couple in there. As you can see. I want to show you the cool thing about this. If we just get this cup I left around here, press down here. Oh, exactly. Forgot to fill this. Got these to plunger in there for a lamp, because they've been good. They actually fit in there. So if we just put them in like that. So basically I've closed this. Just going to press down like that. And it comes out. Isn't that cool? Okay guys, so that was the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe down below. Watch some of my other videos. Well, watch Shopkins Season 1 and Season 2 Ultra Rare, my video on YouTube now. By the way guys, if you don't know, my name is Hazel. Okay? So if you don't know that, I just told you, so yep. So bye, bye guys. Hope you enjoyed.